What's next? Oh, that one. Oh, I know that one. We're drinking, just have a second. Get a drink, do you know what I mean? So, do you want to know the name we're not allowed to say what we're called? He's getting nervous because he works here, and he suggested the name, and it was vetoed, so I can't tell you what the name is. I'm not asking the man at the back, he knows what the name is, he went there to tell us. So, special guests, and also Dave Toners. This is a song by, sorry, before I tell you who it's by, I'm not very good with lyrics, so I have to learn them a lot, and I learned the last couple of lyrics to these songs today on the bus, and this was one of them. It's by the Kings of Leon, and I realised recently, didn't need to learn the lyrics. Going to and you'll be happy with that, no doubt, because it sounds somewhat like the original, but it goes like this. It's all that you can do, it's what you never say. Why you make me tonight, just look at both away. You're just another girl who wants to rule the world any night or day. When she gets into your head, that's what she don't say. You want it, you got it, all the dreamers gonna change. It's gonna change your mind. All the dreams gonna change your mind. Songs you put it in your soul. It's okay, I get there anyway. Just let me out of here. You're free, you get down on your knees. You're just another taste. When you think she's got you in, that's when she fades away. It's gonna change your mind. She got your good pistol. All the children's gonna change your mind. All the children's gonna You want it, she got it. All the children's gonna change your mind. Thank you. So we got two more than we're by the way. We sort of tried to keep a theme for you because you know you're here, we know you're not here to see us, clearly. You're here to see the main event. And so we tried to keep the theme for you of Northern Soul and Indie, something that the great man himself would have liked or has sometimes, you know, featured other musicians play with him. So this is one such song that we tried to keep that theme. It goes like this.